In this video, I'll show you how you can back up your Samsung Galaxy S26 to your PC or your MacBook. Now for this, you need to install an application called the Smart Switch. So all you have to do is on your PC, bring up your browser, and then go to this website, samsung.com/us/support/owners/app/smart switch, and you should get to this homepage. So I'll link this link in the description. And then from here, all you have to do is scroll down and find this section. So simply click on the Microsoft Windows Store if you're on PC. If you're on MacBook, you can simply select Mac OS download. So I'll just select that. And then from here, you'll be prompted to choose the location whereby you'll save the setup file. So let me just choose on my desktop or the downloads. So let me just select downloads and then tap on save and allow for the setup to be downloaded. So you can click on this icon and see the setup process. So allow it to be downloaded. Now, once the setup has been downloaded, you can simply click on it from here and launch it, or you can simply open the file explorer and locate it from where you saved that particular file. So for me, I saved it in the downloads. So let me just minimize this. So, and then you can see the Smart Switch PC setup. You can double click on it and set it up. So from here, you'll be required to install the Microsoft Visual C++. So tap on install and allow it to install any additional information that might be needed. And then once it has been installed, simply allow the installation process to complete. Now at this point, you'll be prompted to select or to accept the terms of license agreement. So you can simply read through all this and accept to the terms. The same thing goes for personal information collection and use agreement. You can simply read through all that and accept on that, and then select next or click on next and allow the application to be installed. Now give it a few minutes for the installation process to complete. Now, once the installation process has been completed, you'll be prompted to create a shortcut on the desktop, or you can choose to run Smart Switch. So you can check that to create a shortcut desktop, or you can simply check or uncheck that to run the Smart Switch, sorry. So I'll just select finish, and that will launch Smart Switch on the PC. And then from here, all you have to do now is grab your S26 and connect it directly using a USB cable to your PC. So also you might get this notice. So I just click on continue, and then if there's an update, you'll be prompted to update Smart Switch. So for now, let me just ignore that. So the next thing is connect your Samsung S26 to your PC. So using a USB cable, so I'll just connect it. And then once it's connected, you might see this error. So to fix this, all you have to do is on your phone or on the Samsung Galaxy S26, simply swipe down from the top left menu, and then from here tap on USB for charging, select that, and then choose transfer files through Android Auto, and then confirm your identity if you have enabled identity check. So as you can see, it's now connecting to the laptop and to your device. So give it a few seconds. And then you can see this prompt. This particular phone is connected. So all you have to do is to back up your Samsung S26. Simply click on backup. And then you'll be prompted to choose all the items that you'd like to back up. So you can choose to back up your calls and contacts, messages, apps, and all the other information that you might need. So, and also you can choose individually, like let's say for instance, if you select call and contacts, you'll be prompted to select the contact file format. You can choose as the SQBM format or SQBM and CSV. For me, I'll just leave it the way it is. You can select messages, and you can choose to back up all the messages, or you can choose to back up the last 2 years, last 12 months, also 6 months, 3 months, or 30 days. You can also select apps, And then it'll provide a list of all the applications that you currently have. So you can select all the apps that you need to backup. The same thing goes for the home screen settings, for the settings, for the images, videos, audio, and documents and files. Once you have selected everything, all you have to do is select backup. And then you might see these transfer data from chat apps. So manual backup needed. They cannot backup chats and for these particular applications. So for these ones, you need to do them manually. So you can simply click on OK and allow the backup to proceed. As you can see on your phone, it will be saying transferring your data. So ensure that you don't disconnect the cable until the transfer is complete. You can also choose to keep your screen on so that the transfer is complete, or to allow the transfer to continue and your phone will be on, or you can choose to disable it. So once the transfer is complete, you'll have now successfully created a backup for your Samsung Galaxy S26 to your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.